In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your website with a free SSL certificate using HostGator's cPanel. Implementing SSL not only boosts your site's security, but enhances your credibility and improves your ranking in search engines. So let's dive into the process step by step to ensure your site gets the protection it deserves. To get started, you'll first need to log into your HostGator cPanel. If you're unfamiliar with cPanel, it serves as your website's control panel where you can manage your site's settings. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new, as it makes navigating easier. Look for a section related to security options. Within this area, you'll see a feature labeled SSL SOS TLS or SSL certificates. Click on this to continue. Inside the SSL section, your goal is to locate the option for Let's Encrypt or Free SSL Certificate. HostGator offers Let's Encrypt as a complimentary option, which is perfect for those looking to implement SSL without any added costs. Once you've identified it, select it, and the platform will guide you through associating this SSL with your domain. Next, you'll want to select the domain for which you wish to enable the free SSL certificate. You should see a list of your domains on your account. Be sure to choose the correct one. If you have multiple domains, you'll need to repeat this process for each. After selecting your domain, trigger the enablement of the free SSL certificate. This action alerts HostGator to start the installation. Now you'll need a bit of patience as the system installs the certificate. The time it takes can vary, but it usually doesn't take too long. During this time, it's a good opportunity to review any other cPanel settings you've been meaning to update. Once your SSL certificate is installed, your next task is to update your website URLs to use HTTPS. This upgrade is crucial. It tells web browsers your site is secured, and those visiting will see the padlock icon next to your web address, which is a visible cue of safety. After updating your URLs, it's imperative to test your website. Navigate to your site and ensure SSL is active. Look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar, which indicates that the connection is secure. Click on it to verify details like the certificate's validity. If everything checks out, congratulations! Your site is now secure with a free SSL certificate from HostGator. Following these steps ensures your website is more